Welcome to this course where I'm going to show you exactly how to build a beautiful looking website using Thrive Architect. Now, if you're a digital entrepreneur, by now you know having a website and knowing how to create one is probably the most important skill you can have. And with Thrive Architect, it's become so easy that it's actually fun to create websites. Now, I've been creating websites for years using different services, but it was always a pain in the ass. It was something I had to do in order to help my idea come to life. But with Thrive Architect, it's a visual builder like I've never seen it before. So any idea you have for your site that you're able to draw out in like a simple wireframe or diagram, you're able to make that website come to life. And in this tutorial, I'm so excited to share with you this entire process. The course is designed for someone that has never built a WordPress website before. So I take you from step 0, where you buy your domain name, buy your hosting, and actually install WordPress itself. And I also show you how to find inspiration and have a clear purpose for your site before you even start creating it. So this is perfect if you want to create a website, but you've never created one before. Also, if you already have been creating websites and maybe you're already using Thrive Architect, but you want to learn how to create better looking websites or websites with a clear purpose, then I think you're also going to enjoy this course. And one of the key things about this course is the checklist that I've created. And the checklist is something that you can have by your side whenever you go to create a new website. It's the checklist that I use myself for every new website project. So this website here is one of the example websites that you'll be watching me build throughout this course. Now, I'm not going to show you exactly step by step how to build this exact website, because as you'll see, the process of creating websites is not that linear. It's a lot of trial and error and seeing, oh, does this look good? I'm going to try it out. Okay, that doesn't look good. Now I'm going to try something else. What you will see in this course is how to get all the skills you need to take advantage of Thrive Architect so you can create a professional looking site just as this one. But I will also include bonus footage of me creating the site in real time, so you get to see what it actually is like to create a website. And the beautiful thing about Thrive Architect is not only does it create beautiful websites on desktops, but you can also mobile optimize your sites incredibly easily. And on top of that, I'm going to show you how to make your site extremely speedy so it loads fast, how to back it up automatically, and also how to install security plugins. So if you're ready to build a website in 2018, this is the best tutorial for you, and I hope you get a ton out of it.